The undergraduate program of mathematics, or UPM, was established in 1999. At the beginning, undergraduate program of mathematics only accepted one class of students. With development of facilities and the increasing for public interest, UPM then accepted two classes of students. UPM has formulated four program learning outcomes that the graduates will have. These program learning outcomes involve four aspects, namely knowledge, skill, competence, and the last is attitude and social. UPM produce graduates to become academic professional, research assistant, practitioner, and entrepreneurs. To improve the quality of learning, we have 3 professors, 9 doctors, 5 masters, and 2 persons are completing their doctorate. To support learning process, we have 2 laboratories, namely the computational laboratory and the simulation and modeling laboratory. Students are given the opportunity to develop their potential. They are facilitated by various student organizations, both academic and non-academic. They are also facilitated by to participate in some competition. Some students won in the competition, such as National Mathematics Olympiad and other competition. They can also participate in sit-in program at several universities abroad and within the country. We also invite guest lecturers to provide student insight.
To support the achievement of study program objective, laboratories are provided to be used by both students and lecturers in learning and also research activities. There are 2 main laboratories that can be used. The first one is the laboratory of computation, and the second one is the laboratory of modeling and simulations. Each laboratory is facilitated by the PC with the adequate technology and the required softwares. Additional laboratory is also provided by the faculty in the form of the computational laboratory that can be used by the student in some cases. Computational laboratory is more focused on supporting learning in several subjects that require technology support, such as programming language, mathematics computation, and introduction of artificial intelligence. Meanwhile, the modeling and simulation laboratory is more focused on supporting research activities, whether carried out by students or lecturers, such as research in the topic of intelligent design, dynamical system, and epidemiology as well.
The Laboratory of Computation is a laboratory that contains computing tools to provide for both lecturers and students to carry out lecture about computer programming and peer tutorial practicum activities. In this laboratory, we have many personal computers that are connected with local area network and internet. We also have a LCD projector, a server, and many software about mathematics application such as Java, Python, MATLAB, Maple, GeoGebra, and so on. The activities in Laboratory of Computation are mainly for lecturing and practicum. The lecture course about computer, such as digital literacy for new student, undergraduate student, programming language, mathematics computation, database, and introduction to artificial intelligence. Practicum that assisted by senior student for course that need tutorial using computer, such as calculus differential, calculus integral, numerical method, mathematical modeling, and statistics. We hope that the lecturers and practicum in this laboratory of computation can be useful for lecturer and student.
The Modeling and Simulation Laboratory is a place of researchers in the interdisciplinary application of mathematics, consisting of scientists from academics, industry, and undergraduate students. The laboratory is based in the Department of Mathematics at Universitas Negeri Surabaya, Indonesia. The models interpret current theory, while the execution of the model is a simulation of what the model designer expects. This simulation is so beneficial. The predicted results compared with actual experiment result is a good test of whether relevant factors are taken accurately to the experience into account. The hallmark of all the laboratories projects are that they involve a highly interdisciplinary team of scientists. The project employ advanced and sophisticated mathematics to solve real problems. They are computationally intensive, and the approach is based on letting the problem drive the mathematics rather than the other way around. To support the projects, the Modeling and Simulation Lab provide a smartboard and some licensed software such as MATLAB, Minitab, and other open software for data science, for example, Python and RStudio. These projects include intelligent design, biomathematics, epidemiology, dynamic system, modeling and forecasting in climate change, health, psychology, and education data are active area research. Another vibrant project is development of a data analysis and optimal design in artificial intelligence. Those are potential applications of mathematical analysis, modeling, simulation, and computation to the sciences.
We had very good experiences at the undergraduate program of mathematics, accompanied by lecturers who are very competent in their fields, supported by very adequate facilities, laboratories that we can use both in learning and research, and also building security equipment that makes us feel safe in our activities. There are many outbound activities that we can participate in, such as student exchange, internship in companies, competition both academic and non-academic, and other activities that support our interests as well.